I see a lot of new tech phones, laptops, cars, but every so often there's a shift that changes everything. It's not just about better cameras, it's about the tech that will redefine how we live and work. Gartner just released its top 10 strategic technology trends for 2025. These aren't just predictions, they're the blueprint for what's next. We're talking about the concepts that will shape the next generation of devices, services, and even daily life. In this video, I'll break down each trend in simple terms and show you why it matters. No jargon, no fluff, just what you need to know. Please subscribe to AI Tech Think. Now, let's dive in. First up, Agentic AI. We're used to AI assistants that react to commands. Agentic AI is different, it's proactive. Instead of just following orders, it understands your goals, makes a plan, and executes it, making decisions along the way. Imagine telling your AI, I need to be in San Francisco next week. It checks your calendar, finds flights, books hotels, and arranges transport, without you micromanaging. In business, Agentic AI could optimize supply chains, negotiate with suppliers, and reroute shipments, all autonomously. It's not just a tool, it's a teammate, handling complex processes so people can focus on strategy and creativity. But with this power comes big questions. How much autonomy do we give AI? What if it makes a mistake? The key is building systems with clear boundaries and human oversight. Under the hood, Agentic AI uses advanced models that can reason, plan, and interact with digital systems, like a digital Swiss Army knife. This is a fundamental shift. We're moving from delegating tasks to delegating outcomes. Expect to see Agentic AI first in enterprise software, automating complex workflows, and eventually in consumer products. It's one of the biggest leaps for AI yet. The future isn't just smarter assistants, it's AI that acts on your behalf. This will reshape how we work, travel, and live. The challenge? Balancing autonomy with trust. But the potential is massive. Agentic AI is the next frontier. With powerful agentic AIs, we need control. Enter AI governance platforms. Think of them as air traffic control for AI, monitoring every model across a company. They ensure AI operates ethically, legally, and transparently. One big challenge is the black box problem. Sometimes even creators can't explain AI decisions. Governance platforms provide tools for transparency, explainability, and risk management. They detect bias, track data and model versions, and create audit trails. Trust is everything. If people don't trust your AI, they won't use it. These platforms set the guardrails, letting companies innovate confidently while managing risks. It's about being proactive, not waiting for disaster. As AI gets more powerful, governance becomes essential infrastructure. Without it, the risks could outweigh the rewards. AI governance platforms are the backbone of responsible AI. Disinformation is exploding. Deepfakes, AI-generated audio, and fake news are everywhere. Disinformation Security is the tech fighting back. AI now detects AI-generated content, spotting subtle clues humans miss. It's a constant arms race. As fakes get better, so do detection tools. Content provenance, digital watermarks, and chains of custody help verify authenticity. Standards like the Content Authenticity Initiative are emerging to rebuild digital trust. These tools will be built into social media, browsers, and search engines to flag manipulated content. Disinformation security is now a core part of internet safety. It's about protecting reality itself. As fake content gets more convincing, detection and verification tech must keep up. This isn't just cybersecurity, it's defending the truth. The battle for trust online is only getting tougher. Disinformation security is critical for the future. Next, Postquantum Cryptography, PQC. Today's encryption keeps our data safe, but quantum computers could break it in hours. PQC is about building new encryption that's secure against both classical and quantum attacks. NIST has already picked the first batch of PQC algorithms, and companies are starting the long process of upgrading. This isn't a quick fix. It'll take years to update software, hardware, and protocols everywhere. The urgency? Harvest now, decrypt later. Adversaries could be storing encrypted data today, waiting for quantum computers to crack it. Sensitive data that needs to stay secure for years must be protected with PQC now. It's a massive, proactive security upgrade for the digital world. The quantum threat isn't here yet, but we have to prepare. Post-quantum cryptography is future-proofing our security. Imagine tech that fades into the background, ambient invisible intelligence. Instead of screens and buttons, technology is woven into our environment, anticipating our needs. Walk into a room, and it recognizes you, sets up your presentation, adjusts lighting, and starts your call. No buttons needed. This is powered by sensors, AI, and connected devices working together. It's the smart home, but everywhere: your office, your car, your city. The challenge? Privacy. For tech to anticipate your needs, it needs to know you. Users must have control over what's collected and how it's used. The goal: tech that's helpful, not intrusive. We're moving beyond smartphones as the main interface. The future is environments that respond to you, not the other way around. It's about reducing cognitive load, not adding to it. Ambient intelligence is tech that gets out of the way. All this smart tech uses a ton of energy. Enter energy-efficient computing. New chips like neuromorphic processors are designed for AI but use far less power. Data centers are getting smarter with liquid cooling, better layouts, and renewable energy. Software matters too. Green coding and efficient algorithms save energy at scale. It's about cost and responsibility. Energy is expensive, and the public demands sustainability. Companies are now judged on their environmental impact as much as their profits. The future of tech must be sustainable. We can't keep building more powerful systems without considering the planet. Energy-efficient computing is about innovating responsibly. It's the only way the digital revolution can last. Greener tech is smarter tech. Hybrid computing brings together cloud, edge, classical, and quantum computing into one system. It's about using the right tool for the job. Cloud for big data, edge for real-time, quantum for specialized problems. Hybrid platforms act as the smart foreman, routing tasks to the best environment. This boosts performance, efficiency, and cost savings. In manufacturing, edge devices monitor machines in real time, while the cloud handles long-term analysis. Hybrid models also help with privacy. Sensitive data can stay local, while less sensitive tasks use the cloud. It's flexible, scalable, and efficient. Hybrid computing is the backbone for many other trends. The future isn't one-size-fits-all. It's a diverse, interconnected ecosystem. This approach lets us solve complex problems smarter. Hybrid computing is the architecture of tomorrow. It's how we'll handle the next wave of tech challenges. Spatial computing is the next leap in how we interact with digital information. It merges data with the 3D world. Think AR and VR. Architects can walk through virtual buildings. Surgeons overlay 3D models during operations. Mechanics see digital instructions over real engines. Warehouse workers get guided by AR arrows. VR enables immersive training and global collaboration in virtual spaces. Hardware is improving, but the real challenge is intuitive 3D software and user experience. It's about making information tangible and interactive. Spatial computing will transform design, healthcare, education, and entertainment. We're just at the start, but it's a shift from using computers to inhabiting them. The world is becoming our interface. Today's robots are single-task specialists. Polyfunctional robots change that. Imagine a hospital robot delivering meals in the morning, disinfecting rooms in the afternoon, and fetching supplies later, all with software updates. The breakthrough is in AI robots that understand language, navigate complex spaces, and learn new skills. In warehouses, they can pick, pack, and load. In restaurants, they can prep, bus, or cook. The dream of a true home robot is getting closer. One machine, many jobs. The challenge is building hardware that's dexterous and AI that's adaptable. Polyfunctional robots are the convergence of AI, computer vision, and engineering. They could transform logistics, healthcare, hospitality, and even our homes. It's a huge leap from single-purpose machines. The future of physical work is flexible, intelligent robots. Polyfunctional robots are redefining what machines can do. Our final trend: neurological enhancement blurring the line between human and machine. Tech is already restoring abilities: cochlear implants for hearing, brain stimulation for Parkinson's. The next wave: brain-computer interfaces, BCIs, that let paralyzed people control robotic limbs or restore sight by sending video signals to the brain. Companies like Neuralink are working on high-bandwidth implantable BCIs. Beyond restoration, there's enhancement boosting memory, learning faster, or improving focus with non-invasive devices. The ethical questions are huge. What does it mean to be human if we can upgrade our minds? Who gets access? Could it create new social divides? While widespread enhancement is far off, the research is happening now. Neurological enhancement could cure conditions and unlock new abilities, but it forces us to rethink identity. It's the most profound trend on this list. That's Gartner's top 10 tech trends for 2025. From autonomous AI to brain interfaces, the lines between digital and physical, human and machine, are blurring fast. These aren't just buzzwords, they're signals of massive change. Some trends tackle today's problems, others imagine a radically different future. The next few years will be transformative. Which trend do you think will have the biggest impact? Drop a comment, like, and subscribe to AI Tech Think for more deep dives into the future of tech. Thanks for watching. See you next time.